Yashasvi Jaiswal is an exciting young cricketer from India, known for his explosive batting style and impressive performances in domestic cricket. Here's a quick overview of his career. Full name: Yashasvi Jaiswal. Born December 28, 2001, in Suriyawan, Uttar Pradesh, India. Role: left-handed batsman. Batting style: left-handed. Bowling style: right arm off-break occasion. Yashasvi's rise to prominence has been a remarkable story. He grew up in poverty and initially struggled to find resources to pursue his cricketing dreams. However, his determination and talent led him to join the Azad Maidan in Mumbai, where he trained hard. His journey saw him overcoming several obstacles, including living in a tent and working as a net bowler to support himself. Jaiswal made a name for himself in youth cricket, especially during his time in India's U19 team. His consistency and impressive stroke play quickly caught the attention of selectors. Jaiswal made his debut in the 2019 to 2020 season of the Ranji Trophy for Mumbai, where his performances showed promise. His breakthrough came with an exceptional 300-run knock for Mumbai in the Vijay Hazare Trophy in 2020, which earned him widespread recognition. Yashasvi Jaiswal's big break came when he was picked by the Rajasthan Royals in the Indian Premier League 2020 auction. He was picked for 2.4 Indian rupees crore, and his entry into IPL cricket added to his growing reputation. He made his mark in the 2023 IPL season with some exciting performances. His aggressive batting style suited the T20 format, and he was able to contribute valuable runs to his team with solid performances, making a strong case for himself as a future star of Indian cricket. Yashasvi Jaiswal is known for his attacking mindset at the crease of young batsmen, such as Shubman Gill, due to his ability to build innings in any format. Jaiswal's strong performances in domestic cricket and IPL have made him one of the most exciting young prospects in Indian cricket. His versatility and potential to shine in all formats make him a player to watch in the coming years. As of now, he is still young and is expected to be part of India's future squads for various international series, particularly in limited overs formats like T20s and ODIs.